Folks, so today at WD Services, you must be wondering what you're looking at. This is a fuel regulator to regulate how much fuel you use in eco-friendly position and in sport mode. This vehicle is causing misfire because of a dirty fuel filter and a bad regulator. So we're going to replace everything. Yes, so this is a fuel pump. Yeah, keeping true. Take off the sack. And be careful. We've already released these clips, yes, so we just got one more clip to release. Now to get off the sack, the filter, to make sure nothing dirty go up into the gas intake, and there we have it. It's off. You have to make sure you have a lot of fuel don't come out. This is the bad one here. See the difference, people? Yeah, you had a lot of years on it. So you release the wire here. You take out the clip. So here. Okay now. Okay, so now we have to get the regulator out from the old one. So you take a pliers and you hold it here and you regulate around. And then you just give a gentle pull. Gentle pull until you get out. Then when you get out, you're going to see two tabs here on the side. Pull it out gently, and this is the oil regulator, and as you can see it's still going gasoline. Alright then, so now we're gonna put this in. You have to make sure the black is the negative line and the blue is the positive line, because as you can see, positive and negative right there. So you have to make sure negative so the negative and the positive. Alright guys, this one is a bit slippery. And there you have it. Until you hear a click, and then you're good to go. And now you have to put on the new sock. Alright, so we got to snap back in the filter in place. So yes folks, we had a very difficult time behind the scenes getting on this. What we had to do, we had to take back out the regulator, hook back up the sock, and I'll align it up, because to try to force it on would be kind of impossible, because the holes them and the sock is precise. So we had to take out the regulator, put on the sock, and then clip it on. So yeah, that's it. And this one here is a little bit longer than the original version, but that's not a problem. It won't be in the way. Okay.